Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how you can see other people's birthday on your Facebook. So in order to see birthdays of your friend, it is very easy, and I hope you watch this video till the end. And without any further ado, let's just get straight into the video. So first of all, what I want you to do is go ahead and open up your profile. Once you have done that, I want you to click on the friends button, which is in the center of post, about, and photos and more. So there is your friends. Go ahead and click on it. Once you have done that, there are many tabs. As you can see, there is all friends, which is all of your friends. There is also recently added, and there is also birthdays. That is what we want, and there are other couple more tabs as well. So go ahead and click on birthdays, and finally it will show you the recent birthdays which are coming up. So as you can see, one of my friends birthday is tomorrow, as it says, and one of my friends birthday is in 2 days, as you can see it says. So it's easy as that. So thank you so much for watching. If you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.